So this Nissan GTR came in with a partial paint protection film. Now, you know me, I'm not a big fan of the partial, especially on a cool looking car like this one. So I kindly suggested to the customer that we should remove that, and instead of a partial, give it a full wrap on the hood and a full wrap on the fenders. So we're gonna remove everything that's on the hood. I think it's only like 24 inches that's being covered. We're gonna remove that, so like that, there's no transition line on the hood. And these little, I mean, if you gotta zoom in really well, but you see like a transition line in there. Ceramic window tint. Now he doesn't want any dark shade, so we're going with a 70% on the full fronts. So both windows, passenger and driver side, are getting tinted with XPEL 70%. I got Danny in the back already cutting it out, and we're getting ready to install it. All right, so now that the guys already took off all the paint protection film, we're getting ready to wash it. So like that, when we bring it inside, we're gonna do the paint protection film on the full front, and then we're gonna do paint correction on the rest of the vehicle and apply ceramic coating. So stay tuned for that. All right, so we're doing the hood bulk install. Took off the scoops. So we just wrapped up the 2017 Nissan GTR Skyline. We did multiple services to it. We did paint protection film. As you saw, we installed it on the hood, on the fenders. It already had it on the bumper, so we left it alone. We did take off the partial hood and the partial fender, and instead of that, we gave it a full wrap, and now it looks really, really nice with very, very little seams anywhere to be seen. The rest of the services were 70% XR ceramic film, so it's pretty clear on the sides. He didn't want any shade, but he wanted the heat rejection, so we went with 70% XR. And then the rest of the vehicle, we polished and we applied ceramic coating. So like that, it's protected on the front end and it's also protected on the back end. Everything's set, ready to go. I can't wait for the customer to see it. This beautiful GTR Skyline, I believe it's a 2017. Wrapped all the fenders, hood, and a good detail with a ceramic coating on the rest of the vehicle. I'm just going to show you guys the results of all of our hard work. The guys did a good job at polishing and applying the ceramic coating, and we wrapped it. So I'm going to show you guys how this car really, really pops. I can't wait to see how it looks outside.